Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Sound and Vibration. This is where Oppo keeps call audio options. Once there, tap the Incoming Call or Call Notification subsection so you see what triggers announcements. You want to find a setting labeled Caller Voice Announcement, Announce Caller, or similar. Some Color OS versions group it under Notifications. Toggle it off to stop spoken names. If you don't see it yet, proceed to the next slide to check accessibility and app-level controls. Next, make sure accessibility features aren't causing announcements. You should open Accessibility and inspect Talkback, Select to Speak, or Voice Notification items. Turn those off if they announce calls. Once done, review app permissions for phone and notifications. Deny notification read permissions for any app that might announce callers. Also open Common Caller ID or safety apps like Truecaller and disable their voice or speak caller options. These steps remove announcements that live outside core settings. Finally, reboot the phone to ensure all toggles take effect. Many settings require a restart to stop background services. Then place a test call to confirm silence. If you still hear announcements, inspect Do Not Disturb and Priority Calling rules because some DND profiles can alter notification behavior. As a last resort, reset notification settings or clear cache for phone and relevant caller ID apps. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: temporarily uninstall any third-party caller ID app and retest to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.